This is a brief video to learn how to use FRED, the St. Louis Federal Reserve website, to find graphs to include in milestone 1 of ECHO 202. This is the main page for FRED. If you go in the search, you can write real GDP, hit enter, and it will lead you to a page. You can see billions of chain dollars, percentage change. So you could find the percent change if you're looking for growth rates. But you can click on one of the billions of chain dollars. And it'll bring you to a graph that goes from 1930 to 2010. So we want to limit that. Let's say we're searching from 1970 to 1980. We can limit that here. There we go. So we can limit the graph. Now we want to be able to export this graph so we can use it in PowerPoint. We will go to download, select PowerPoint, and it will open with Microsoft PowerPoint. So you just open it. And it will appear. Here it is. So then you can copy. So you can do Command copy for this and post and paste it inside your presentation. And this is all there's to it. If you're looking for the growth rates, we can go back and look. We can select percentage change. It says quarterly frequency here. We can again select, let's say we're doing the 1960s this time. We can limit 1960s to the 1970s. There we go. It's actually gone a little too far. Let's go back here, 1960 to 1970. This is the quarterly, so it gives you a lot. You can select the yearly, and again, you would download, select PowerPoint, and it will transfer it into your PowerPoint. That's all there is. You can do the same for unemployment, for inflation. You can find interest rates. Any sort of data you're looking for regarding the economy will be available through FRED.